Hello, everyone, and welcome to Talk Sara. Today, we are talking about a very common problem that many English learners experience almost every day. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Yes, this problem is translating in your head before you speak English.
You may understand English when you listen to others or read simple texts.
But when it is time to speak, your mind suddenly feels slow and busy.
You first think in your own language, and then you try to change those thoughts into English.
This process feels natural at first, but it often makes speaking difficult.
Speaking becomes slower, and sometimes it feels stressful or uncomfortable.
Many learners feel stuck at this stage and do not know what to do next.
They often think their English is not good enough.
Some learners believe they need more grammar or more vocabulary.
But the real issue is not knowledge, it is the habit of translation.
Translation is not wrong. It is a normal step in language learning.
At the beginning, translation helps you understand meaning and feel safe.
It helps you connect English words to ideas you already know.
However, when you translate every sentence, your speaking becomes slower.
Your brain must do too many things at the same time.
You think about the idea, translate it, check grammar, and search for words.
After all this work, you finally try to speak.
By that time, the conversation may already move forward.
This can make you feel nervous or left behind.
Some learners stop speaking because they feel embarrassed.
Others speak very little because they fear making mistakes.
This fear creates more pressure inside the mind.
Pressure makes translation even stronger.
Natural English is not perfect English.
Natural English is simple, clear, and focused on meaning.
Even native speakers do not think about grammar when they speak.
They make mistakes, change words, and repeat ideas.
They continue speaking because communication is more important.
When learners translate, they often look for difficult or advanced words.
This makes sentences longer and harder to say out loud.
Simple words help your brain stay calm and relaxed.
For example, saying, "I am very tired," is clear and easy.
Stopping to search for a stronger word only slows you down.
The listener understands your message and the conversation continues.
This feeling helps build confidence step by step.
Confidence does not come from perfect grammar.
It comes from using English again and again.
Another reason translation is difficult is fear of mistakes.
Many learners worry about choosing the wrong word.
This worry lives quietly inside the mind.
When you think directly in English, this worry becomes smaller.
Your thoughts become shorter and easier to control.
Short thoughts are easier to speak naturally.
You can think simple ideas like, "I like this," or "I don't get it."
These short sentences help your brain stay in English.
You do not need long or complex sentences to communicate.
Clear meaning is more important than perfect structure.
When you stop translating, you feel more present in the moment.
You listen better and react faster.
Your English starts to feel lighter and more natural.
The words come out with less effort.
This change does not happen suddenly.
It happens slowly with gentle and regular practice.
The most important thing is to be patient with yourself.
Your brain is learning a new habit, and habits take time.
Every small effort helps your English grow stronger.
Each time you try to think in English, you train your mind.
With time, English becomes part of your daily thinking.
Speaking feels less stressful and more comfortable.
This is how natural English begins to form inside your mind.
When English starts to feel lighter, daily habits play a very important role.
Small actions during the day help your brain stay in English for longer moments.
One helpful habit is naming things around you in English.
When you see a chair, quietly think "chair" instead of the word in your language.
When you open a door, think door. And when you sit, think sit.
This may feel simple, but it slowly trains your brain.
Your brain learns that English words connect directly to objects.
This removes the need for translation, step by step.
Another useful habit is describing actions in your head.
For example, you can think, I am walking, or I am making tea.
These short sentences keep your thinking active in English.
You do not need to describe everything in detail.
Just simple actions are enough to build the habit.
Some learners think this practice is too easy.
But easy practice is often the most effective.
Your brain learns better when it feels relaxed.
Stress blocks learning, but calm repetition opens the mind.
Another strong habit is answering questions in your head.
Ask yourself simple questions during the day.
For example, what am I doing now? Or how do I feel?
Then answer with short English sentences.
You can say, I am tired, or I feel okay.
This trains quick thinking without pressure.
You are not performing for anyone.
You are only training your own mind.
Listening also plays a big role in stopping translation.
When you listen to simple English every day, patterns become familiar.
Your brain starts to recognize phrases as complete ideas.
This means you do not translate word by word anymore.
Listening to slow podcasts or short dialogues helps a lot.
Try to listen without repeating or translating.
Just understand the general meaning.
If you miss a word, it is okay.
Understanding everything is not the goal.
Feeling the rhythm of English is more important.
Another helpful habit is speaking out loud when possible.
You can speak when you're alone at home.
Talk about your day or your plans.
Use simple sentences you already know.
Do not stop to correct every mistake.
Flow is more important than accuracy at this stage.
Some learners feel shy speaking alone.
But speaking alone builds confidence safely.
There is no pressure and no judgment.
Your brain learns how English sounds coming from you.
This makes real conversations feel easier later.
Thinking in English also means accepting silence.
Sometimes your brain needs a short pause.
This pause is okay and natural.
You do not need to fill every moment with words.
When you accept pauses, stress becomes smaller.
Stress often pushes you back into translation.
Calm thinking keeps you in English longer.
Another important point is being kind to yourself.
Some days your English feels good.
Other days it feels slow and difficult.
This is a normal part of learning.
Progress is not a straight line.
Every day you practice, even a little, helps your brain.
You may not feel change immediately.
But the change is happening quietly.
Over time, English thoughts appear faster.
Translation becomes weaker and less frequent.
Your confidence grows naturally.
English starts to feel like a tool, not a test.
This feeling makes learning more enjoyable.
And enjoyment helps learning stay consistent.
Consistency is more powerful than long study sessions.
A few minutes every day trains the brain better.
Your mind slowly accepts English as part of daily life.
This acceptance changes the way you speak.
Speaking becomes easier, smoother, and more natural.
And the habit of translation loses its control.
As these habits become part of your daily life, something important begins to change.
English no longer feels like a school subject or a test.
It starts to feel like a simple tool you can use.
Your thoughts begin to appear in English without effort.
At first, this happens for short moments.
You may notice it while walking, cooking, or resting.
You suddenly think a sentence in English and feel surprised.
That moment is a sign of progress.
Many learners do not notice these small changes.
They expect a big and sudden improvement.
But language growth is usually quiet and slow.
Small moments come together to create confidence.
Over time, translation becomes weaker.
It does not disappear completely, but it loses control.
Your brain learns when translation is not needed.
It chooses English automatically in simple situations.
This makes speaking feel lighter and faster.
You begin to respond without long pauses.
Even when you make mistakes, you keep going.
This is a very important change.
Before, mistakes may have stopped you.
Now, mistakes feel less scary.
You understand that mistakes are part of communication.
Native speakers make mistakes too.
They focus on meaning, not perfection.
As you stop translating, your listening improves as well.
You understand ideas faster.
You stop translating each word you hear.
Instead, you catch the message.
This makes conversations more enjoyable.
You feel more connected to the person speaking.
Your attention stays in the moment.
This connection builds real confidence.
Confidence does not mean speaking fast.
It means speaking calmly and clearly.
You feel comfortable using the English you know.
You no longer wait to be perfect.
You speak when you are ready.
This mindset changes everything.
English becomes part of your daily life.
It is no longer something separate.
You use English to think, not just to study.
This is how fluency begins.
Fluency is not about speed or big words.
It is about ease and comfort.
Some days will feel better than others.
This is normal and expected.
Learning is not a straight line.
There will be days when translation comes back.
That does not mean you are failing.
It means your brain is tired or stressed.
Rest is also part of learning.
When you relax, English returns more easily.
Enjoyment plays a big role in progress.
When learning feels calm, your brain stays open.
Pressure closes the mind.
Gentle practice keeps it open.
This is why daily habits matter so much.
A few minutes every day is powerful.
It is better than long study once a week.
Consistency trains the brain naturally.
Your mind starts to trust English.
It feels safe using it.
This trust removes fear.
Fear is what causes translation to return.
When fear is gone, thinking becomes smoother.
You speak more freely.
You express ideas, not perfect sentences.
This is real communication.
And real communication builds confidence.
As confidence grows, motivation grows too.
You want to use English more often.
You notice English around you.
Songs, videos, signs, and conversations.
English becomes familiar.
Familiar things feel easier.
This comfort helps your brain relax.
Relaxation supports natural thinking.
Over time, English becomes part of who you are.
Not something you force,
Not something you translate.
just something you use.
This journey takes patience.
But every small step matters.
If you keep practicing gently, change will come.
Your brain will learn in its own time.
Trust the process.
Trust yourself.
And remember, you are learning, not performing.
English is a tool to connect, not a test to pass.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
We're happy to be part of your English journey.
Keep listening, keep practicing, and be kind to yourself.
Your English is growing even when you don't notice it yet.